Greetings from CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited, your healthcare consultant from India. Diagnosis of childhood leukemia. The correct diagnosis of leukemia in children is very important in determining the course of treatment and predicting the treatment outcome. CMCS Health is a name that has been tested by more than 1000 global guests from all across the world for their specialized medical treatment needs in India. Childhood leukemia are usually diagnosed with an initial blood test. A complete blood count or CBC is taken to determine the amount of every type of blood cells in your child's blood. A peripheral blood smear test, that is spreading blood on a glass slide and observing it under a magnifying microscope to find the number of abnormal blood cells and any abnormal change in their appearance. Most children with leukemia will have too many white blood cells and not enough erythrocytes or platelets. Many of the white blood cells in the blood will be blast cells found only in the bone marrow. When a child's primary CBC and peripheral blood smear indicate leukemia, the doctor may recommend these tests to confirm the diagnosis. A bone marrow aspiration and biopsy. Bone marrow aspiration and bone marrow biopsy are the tests that are usually done simultaneously, that is at the same time, and samples are usually taken from the back of the pelvic bones. Sometimes they can also be taken from the front of the pelvic bones or from other bones as well. Lumbar puncture or spinal tap to check for any possible infiltration of leukemic cells into the cerebrospinal fluid that bathes the brain and the spinal cord. Doctors may also recommend following laboratory tests to confirm the diagnosis and determine the type of leukemia to guide the treatment. Microscopic examination of cellularity, flow cytometry and immunohistochemistry. Chromosome test, cytogenetics and fluorescence in situ hybridization, that is FISH or FISH. Doctors may also recommend some imaging tests to better understand the extent of the disease progression or to find other problems such as any underlying infections. A chest X-ray, CT scans, MRIs, and ultrasound of the abdomen and chest. Depending on finding of these investigations, doctors decide treatment course for the child. CMCS Health is the name that has been trusted by the people from all across the globe for their specialized medical treatment needs in India.